Here I'm working on a Hummel clock that I bought from my friend. The clock didn't work. I got it for a fairly decent price. But the housing was broken away from the picture frame. I ended up gluing that down. The movement itself, which is plastic, by the way, and I'm going to talk about that in a second, but it is made in West Germany. Right here it says no joules adjusted, West Germany, and there's a patent number DVGM 7204740 patent number, but it takes these little screws that go through the picture frame, so I had to take the picture out, which is a postcard, and it says the little wanderer. So I don't know whether this is an official Hummel clock or not. I believe it is. But anyway, these little screws went through these holes, and so I had to take the picture out in order to work on it. And then the little screws went into these tabs right here, but they don't stay anymore. So this is the first plastic movement that I've seen from the Hummel clocks, and I'm just wondering whether it was made by a 3D printer. Now, there is no adjustments on this thing because it's plastic. Once you hold it right, it starts ticking away. Get it to where you can see the escape wheel. Once you hold it right, it starts ticking away, as you can see. But there is no adjustments, so the clock has to be tilted just right in order for it to operate. So whether it's going to be crooked on the wall, I don't know. But anyway, because these little screw type rivets don't work anymore, there's I don't know if you can see it or not, it's not actually a screw, it's like a push pin, and it's supposed to push inside this plastic housing, but it doesn't work anymore. So I'm going to put these screws in to keep the movement in place. So we'll come back when I got the screws in. Okay, I got the screws in. They're nice and flush. And let's see if I can hold it to where you can see the escape wheel. I don't know if you can see the escape wheel or not, but it's ticking away. And so I have to do now is put the picture back in and put the hands on. The picture, I don't want to destroy it in case I have to work on this clock again. And so I think I'm gonna put a couple of dabs of glue on it, and I think that will be suffice. Or maybe some tape. In case I have to, like I said, work on it again. I don't want to tear it up. Now, if I had some putty or something, that might work. I think that works. So now all I have to do is put the hands on, and we have a working Hummel clock. And there we go. If y'all think that is a 3D printed movement, please let me know. Hope y'all like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And God bless. Just put this little cover back on. Hang this clock on the wall. And we are good to go. Take it away. God bless. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.